Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss API calls using get, post, put, delete methods. You can use get method to get the data from the server by using API calls, and by using post method to send the data from the user to server. And coming to this put method, it is useful to update the data, and by using delete method you can delete that particular data what you want to require from. You can send the API calls, and you can delete it from the server. So we can see with an example, it will get a better understanding to you. Yeah. Here I'm implementing in the app component.html. So here I'm taking care of that. Before that, I need to import HTTP client module. Here I have imported and I have added in this imports. Coming to the app component.ts file, I need to give a private method HTTP client, and I will get method. In this get method, I'm taking this. So I'm using this hot HTTP dot get. You can give single quotes. Here you can give a URL. I'm giving this in JSON placeholder. So here I'm taking from that. Here I'm searching for get method. So I'm taking this. This is URL. Yes. So after that, I have to subscribe for this. Why? Because it will be reflected, right? So that's why I'm doing like this. Here I'm taking data. So console log, it will help to see that data, how it will be rendered. So data. So you can see control jet. So you can see, but before that you have to initialize this get method here. So yeah, you can observe the console, open console. Yeah, here you can see the data. This is the data I have get from this server. So I will assign this here for get JSON data. So this is a type any. So here I'm taking that, and I'm giving this dot JSON data equal to data. Okay. So if you want to render this, you can use double curly braces, get JSON data. You can give pipe and JSON. You can see, all the data here. What we have, it is in format. Okay, this is the JSON data format. So this is the way to get the data from the server, and you can see the status also by using network tab. So you can see that posts. So here you can see headers, request URL. By using this URL, your request method is get, status code is 200. So it is an success mode. So and we can start with a post method. Here I'm taking another method like post. Just I'm copying this. Here I'm giving and post method. By using post, you can give this post method here also. This dot post method. Okay, post method. And coming to that post method, I will give this post here. Mm, so here while we are using, I'm giving a empty curly braces, and yeah, you can change this post data here. Post data, so post JSON also you have to give okay. Here I'm doing. Coming to that, is there any? Yeah, we can check with that. Yeah. Here I'm taking HTML. I'm comment out this, and I'm taking another field post data event JSON. So you can see the data. Sorry, post method. Sorry, yeah, post method. You can observe. Yeah, you can see that it is in console. Here we need to update post JSON data in the HTML post JSON data. Yeah, here you can see that post data. Yeah, here you can see in single one. Actually, post method is used to send the data, right? So here I'm taking that body. In the body, I'm giving this name like uh, Dinesh, location, pie chart, name, location, and here I'm giving comma should be place. So location. Mm, yeah, this is enough. I think so. I want to send this just so remove that comma, and I will update that post uh, body. Yeah, here you can see. Yeah, here I'm updating, right. I'm sending, right. So you can see this in the data 101 ID. So in network tab, you can observe this post. That is a get method. This is the post method. So it's successful, right. So you can see the data here, preview. Okay, yeah, it is successful. So now I want to update that by using the post method. Here put method. Here I'm updating that. So it's put method, not one. Okay, ID. Here I'm changing put. So here I have to call put JSON data. Put JSON data. So it should be given here. It should be given here. Okay, and distort. method. I will comment out here and I will put here. So put JSON data using JSON. Okay. Yeah, you can observe here. Why I'm not getting here? You can check in the console. Yeah, here it is sending. Here you can see uh, put method. It is getting error. So here you can see in the, yeah, here you can change to one. I think it will be work. So yeah, yeah, you can see that the name location result. So here you can see that name, location, ID 101. So in network tab you can see that, yeah, put method is successful. So you can see the data also response. So by using this you can see it like this. If you want to delete, you can use the delete method directly here. For the delete, I think you don't need to worry about anything here. So you can give delete directly here. Delete. Coming to the URL, you have to change. I think here, yeah, delete method. I think it will be similar. No need to change anything here. So here don't require delete method. Delete method. This method should be uh, placed here. Delete method. This dot delete method. Delete method. Delete method. So you can see in the console what we have. So coming to that. So no need to do any. Yeah, you can see here delete is confirmed. So request delete method is successfully done. No properties. So deleted successfully. So you can see like that. So by using these methods you can perform the API calls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.